How time flies. It's been 25 years since three gentlemen had a visionary idea. Armando Ballarin, then director of Unión Lido, Antonio Jiménez, owner of Playa Montroig Camping Resort, and Gottfried Thiele, founder of the Zuidsee Camp, invented the leading camping and caravanning parks of Europe. A lot has happened since then. Today, the camping industry is booming. Freedom, nature, a free-spirited life. There were and there are many reasons to choose this type of holiday. Over time, the demands have increased, not least because of the pulling factor character of the leading campings. Basic camping has developed into a multifaceted outdoor lifestyle. The free-spirited life should also offer quality and comfort. These were the main objectives of our leading camping's founders in 1994, who wanted to promote touristic camping and create quality tourism at the highest level, while promoting a respect for the environment. Come as a guest, leave as a friend was therefore also the initial motto of the first members. In the following 2 years, there were 12. By 2001, already 24 members. We are now 40 members from 12 countries, the only European camping association. The challenges grow, the responsibility increases, a working group is founded. In 2004, the leading camping and caravanning parks of Europe e.V. is formally founded as an association. The professionalization is further advanced. A secretariat is established. Finally, a good soul who is always approachable. Then we have a PR and marketing officer. Our logo is relaunched for a second time. Quality prevails. Many strategic partners are now on board. The CIVD, the ADAC, the Intercaravanning, companies like Alco and Dometic, to name but a few. A customer loyalty system is introduced, points are collected, rewards redeemed. What others can do, we can do as well. There is even a Huma motorhome to be won for the launch. Despite nature and remoteness, despite freedom and casualness, the digital world reaches the leading campings very early. The first online reservation system was introduced in 2007. And we are constantly improving our quality. The quality management now rests on 3 pillars: the ADAC inspection result, a guest satisfaction survey, and the use of undercover auditors, so-called mystery guests. From 2015 on, amended by a quality manager driving from site to site in an eye-catching LMC camper. We are now in 2009. Our club has 33 members. The leading campings start the Rally Europe. The guests who collect the most stamps from different leading campings can win a Fendt caravan. The rally runs for an entire year with great success. This is how Europe works. Resting on laurels, enjoying the success? No. The first central employee training course is introduced and establishes itself as an annually recurring element. Leading campings are accredited by the European Union as the only outdoor tourism corporation. More work, more responsibility. In order to be able to cope with this, the executive board is expanded from 5 to 7 persons. The year is 2012 and we are now 34 members. Leading Campings is the international partner of the first European Camping Congress in Essen. In March, leadingcampings.mobi, a website version for tablets and smartphones, is launched. Yes, the smartphone was just 5 years old, and only now were these new pocket computers available in significant numbers. For the first time, glamping is now on par with camping in the catalogue. From Europe to the world, a corporate membership at Pathfinder Outdoor Destinations, an intercontinental excellence initiative based in Australia and Canada, strengthens Leading's claim for opinion leadership. 1 year later, the foundation stone is laid for a transatlantic guest exchange. Leading Campings accept the best guest card of an American partner organization. And for the 4th time in a row, we are holding our Rally Europe. Our partner is Wilk. There is a lot going on at Leading Campings, and we keep on going. 2014 is our 20th anniversary. Celebrations and enjoyment are the order of the day, and what could be more fitting than a cookbook? But it's not just a cookbook, but a leading cookbook containing recipes from all its restaurant chefs for the caravan kitchen. And we continue to work on our public image. The catalogue gets a new format, the website is renewed, and image films visually showcase our great campgrounds. Leading Campings becomes a premium partner in the newly founded Tabert Club. And now it's 2019. We are celebrating a quarter of a century of Leading Campings with 40 members. And we are all about camping. More precisely, we create, that is, produce, modern holiday camping. All member campgrounds are independent and have their very own, also typical for the country character. There are the small, cosy campgrounds, but there are also big, quasi-holiday cities in which you won't get in each other's way. But all our campgrounds have one thing in common. They meet the highest standards of modern camping and preferably exceed them. We have turned camping into a branded product.